let's start with the very basic, the alphabet system, all right? But before we go on to recite the letters of the alphabet, I want us to look at some facts about it, okay? And for the first fact, I'm sure you know this already, the Twi alphabet is made up of 22 letters, okay? So you know that in English you have 26 letters making up the alphabet, but in Twi we have 22 letters, okay? 22, so short of 4, right? 22 letters, just 22, okay? So that's the first fact that you should know about. And for the second fact, out of the 22 letters, 15 of them are consonants. 15, okay, are consonants. And this leads us to the third fact, and that is 7 are vowels. Okay, so we have 7 as vowels. So 22 letters in the Twi alphabet. Out of this 22, we have 15 as consonants, and then we have 7 as vowels. Okay? Now, the next thing to know about is that both English and Twi employ the Latin script, okay, in its writing. So both in English and in Twi, we use the Latin script in writing. Okay, so what this means is that the symbols that we use to represent the various letters of the alphabet will be similar between the two languages. Okay, so the symbols that you have, so when you write A, B, C, and all that in English, you should expect to find something similar in Twi, because both languages employ the Latin script in its writing. Okay? And again, this leads us to the next fact, and that is the fact that we have a similar writing system. So the fact that English and Twi both employ the Latin script doesn't mean that you will find all the letters of the English alphabet in the Twi alphabet. No. Okay, so there are some letters of the English alphabet that you will not find in Twi, and vice versa. Okay, so for example, you will not find the letters C, J, Q, V, X, and Z that you find in the English alphabet in the Twi alphabet. Okay, so these 6 letters that you have in the English alphabet, they are not in the Twi alphabet. Okay, so you would ask yourself, if we don't have these 6 letters in the Twi alphabet, then why do we still end up with 22 letters and not 20? Because in English we have 26 letters. So if you deduct 6 letters out of that, then we should have 20 letters. But that is where the next fact comes from. Okay, so Twi also have 2 extra letters that you will not find in the English alphabet. Okay, and those are E. Okay, so we have E, and then we have O. Okay, E, and then O. E and O. The last fact that you should know about is that we have different ways of reciting the letters of the alphabet of both languages. Okay, so the way you recite the letters of the English alphabet isn't the way you recite the letters of the Twi alphabet. They are different. So in English, we have some sort of near arbitrary way of, reciting the letters of the alphabet that for most of the letters is quite different from how they actually sound in the words. Okay, so when they are used in words, how they sound for most of the letters are quite different from how we recite them. So while in English you go like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, right? In Twi, for most of the letters of the alphabet, we would mostly pronounce them or recite them almost the same way as they would sound in an actual word. Okay, so how it sounds when they are used in words, it's almost the same way we recite them. Okay, so instead of A, B, C, D, we will go like A, B, D with the sounds. Okay, A, B, D. You'll get to know more about this when we start reciting the letters of the alphabet shortly, but I just want you to get this as a fact. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and recite the letters of the Twi alphabet, and please be sure to repeat after me. Okay, all right, so we have A, 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 B, 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 D, 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 E, 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 G, 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 I, 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 O, 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 R, 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 S, 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 T, 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 U, 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 W, 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 Y, Y, Y. All right, let's go over them one more time. So we have A, A, B, B, D, D, E, 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 G, G, H, 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 K. O. 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 P. P. Hr. Hr. S. S. T. T. U. U. W. W. Y. Y. Okay, one last time. A. B. D. E. E. F. G. H. I. K. O. O. P. R. S. T. U. W. Y.